Gunpla, short for Gundam Plastic Model, is one of the most rewarding hobbies in the world of scale modeling. These detailed kits allow builders of all skill levels to assemble iconic mobile suits from the legendary Gundam franchise. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your technique, understanding the process from start to finish makes all the difference between a frustrating experience and a deeply satisfying one. Before touching a single piece, preparation is everything. The first step is making sure you have the right tools on hand. At the very minimum, you will need a pair of plastic model nippers, also called sprue cutters, to remove parts from the runners. A hobby knife or a precision blade helps clean up any leftover plastic nubs. Fine grit sandpaper, typically around 400 to 600 grit, smooths those nub marks to an invisible finish. A cutting mat protects your work surface, and a pair of tweezers helps handle smaller parts with precision. Having these tools ready before you open the box will save you significant time and frustration throughout the build. Once your tools are ready, open the box and take out the instruction manual before anything else. Gunpla manuals are highly visual and organized in numbered steps, making them straightforward to follow even without reading Japanese. Each step shows you exactly which runner the parts come from, labeled with letters and numbers. Runners are the plastic frames holding all the individual pieces together. Familiarize yourself with the runner layout shown in the manual so you can quickly locate parts as you need them. Never skip ahead or assume you know where a piece goes without confirming it in the manual first. Now comes the hands-on work. When removing a part from the runner, always cut slightly away from the actual piece, leaving a small nub of plastic attached. This is called a two-cut method. The first cut removes the part from the runner, and the second cut trims the nub closer to the part itself. Cutting directly at the base in one motion risks leaving a white stress mark on the plastic, which is difficult to hide later. After the second cut, use your hobby knife or sandpaper to gently shave and smooth the remaining nub until it blends seamlessly with the surface of the part. With your parts cleaned and prepped, you can begin assembling according to the manual. Gunpla is designed with a snap-fit system, meaning no glue is required for standard builds. Parts click together with satisfying precision when aligned correctly. Follow each step in order, and do not force pieces together. If something feels like it is not fitting, double-check that you have the correct part, and that it is oriented properly. Many beginners make the mistake of rushing this stage, which can lead to misaligned joints or broken connection points. Take your time and the assembly will reward your patience. Most Gunpla kits are organized by body section, typically starting with the inner frame if the kit has one, then moving to the torso, arms, legs, head, and finally the backpack or weapon accessories. Building section by section keeps the process organized and allows you to appreciate the progress as each part of the mobile suit takes shape. Inner frame kits, commonly found in master grade and real grade lines, add an extra layer of mechanical detail beneath the outer armor panels. Snapping the armor onto a completed inner frame is one of the most satisfying moments in the entire build process. Once fully assembled, your Gunpla is complete in its basic form, but a few finishing touches can elevate it dramatically. Panel lining involves using a fine-tipped marker or enamel wash to trace the recessed lines across the surface, adding depth and a more realistic mechanical appearance. Applying waterslide or dry transfer decals adds markings and insignia that bring the model to life. For those wanting to go further, a top-coat spray in matte, semi-gloss, or gloss finish unifies the surface and protects all your hard work. Each of these steps transforms a simple plastic kit into a display-worthy piece of craftsmanship you can genuinely be proud of.